Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with the halachot of Amirah Legoy, right? Yes, the last shiur where we spoke about of the different reasons for Amirah Legoy. And now that we're going to speak about Amirah Legoy, there's a very important concept, which is there's going to be a difference between Amirah Legoy and Hana'ah Mimlechet Agoy. Which means like this. Right now you have a case where of speaking or telling a goy to do a melacha for you. You're telling a goy, do an action for me. So we already brought down the different reasons why it would be asur. Whether it's v'daber davar, that you're not allowed to speak mundane things on Shabbat. Whether it's going to be that if you're going to start telling a goy to do something, like the Rambam, it's going to be very easy for you to do a melacha as well. Because if you already tell him turn on the light, it just means turn on the light. You tell him to do something, you become that way. You all of a sudden, you stoop down to that level. Right? Why? Because once that happens, that's what starts happening. Or whether it's going to be the entire concept, right, that he's your shlichut lechumra, which means that he's your messenger in the stringent opinion. Now we're going to speak about that there's a difference between amirah and hana'ah. So for example, let's say I'm in my bedroom, or I'm in the salon, in my room, right, in my house, and all of a sudden a goy comes and he turns on the light for me. So now, was I over on amirah legoy? I didn't say anything. There was no amirah. I didn't say one word. He came and he turned on the light. But there's still an isur of hana'ah mimlechet goy, which means I'm not allowed to benefit from, right, a melacha, an action of the goy. And the same reasons that we mentioned before, because if not, then maybe I'm going to come to tell him to do it next week, v'chule v'chule, so on and so forth. So therefore, it's very important that we understand that when it's going to happen, that a person is going to come and they're going to even want to benefit, they also have to understand that. Because a lot of people come and say, Rabbi, but I didn't tell them anything. No, even if you didn't tell the goy to do something, if he's doing it on his own and he's doing it for you, it's going to be prohibited. There's going to be two exceptions for the rule, which is going to be called additional benefit or indirect benefit. And that Be'ezrat Hashem tomorrow, right, we're going to explain what exactly is additional benefit and indirect benefit, that there you're allowed to benefit from what the goy does. Again, the amirah though is prohibited, you're not allowed to say it. But if right now you're going to come and you're going to have the benefit of it, it's only going to be if it's indirect or additional, then it's going to be permitted.